We will first begin with the creation of the work order. Each type of work order will go through an auto-entitlement process, meaning the system is smart enough to recognize whether or not the equipment is associated with a warranty and/or contract, and automatically attach it to the work order created, where applicable. This ensures that each work order is entitled properly based on existing warranty or contract details, therefore avoiding potential revenue loss where warranted or billing a customer for services covered under their entitled equipment, impacting overall customer satisfaction and loyalty. When a technician is going through the repair process, whether at a depot or the customer's location, they'll add applicable line items related to labor, parts, and/or expenses. Since the work order is auto-entitled and related to a contract, the specific discounts and pricing will automatically reflect on those line items, therefore eliminating manual entries and being aware of such entitlements. This will ensure the customer is being provided the most accurate pricing for the service and repair process. Each contract will have a defined price based on the products or services agreed upon between the service organization and customer. However, most organizations lose the traceability back to the services actually rendered. Within our accelerator, we will be capturing the total work order price and the total work order cost to determine the profitability of the contract versus the closed work orders related to it. This will help in identifying whether each contract results in a profit or loss, and ultimately allows for making more informed pricing decisions for products and services offered to your customers. Due to the complexity of pricing structures and variations offered to customers, we have simplified the ability to create price book catalogs that apply to both standard products and services performed against each work order, as well as a price book specific to the products covered under the service contract. This will allow the system to distinguish between the sales and service functions of your organization's operations, therefore making it easier to calculate the profitability of your entitlements. As mentioned previously, contract pricing can generally vary based on several different factors, such as the customer credit status, VIP relationships with the service organization, purchase price, or the length of the contract. Therefore, you can utilize contract pricing rules to create templates to apply applicable discounts to either specific products or product families. This will prevent administrators from having to create unique price books for each type of varying custom pricing scenario. However, they'll still have the ability of modifying specific line items rather than the whole pricing structure if needed. Now that we've gone through some of the features behind the accelerator, you may ask yourself, how is this going to benefit my organization? At this point, you've been able to see how the entitlement and pricing structure can be streamlined from the features exhibited in the accelerator. First, by maintaining a 360-degree view of customer continuity between the sales and service departments, due to the fact that you have the visibility within each of the assets tied to each of the work orders, as well as viewing the various pricing structures. Secondly, is enabling fast and accurate entitlement and pricing rules, due to the auto-entitlement process when a work order is created, and the automation of pricing rules that are based off of the service contract templates. Thirdly, by enabling technicians to provide customers with accurate and real-time pricing based off of those predefined pricing rules. Fourthly, to reduce the time to invoice customers, to define the specific price points attributed to each of your customers. Lastly, by reducing the entitlement leakage, by viewing the work order history and the costs associated with each to determine the profitability of your service contracts.